Nipplegasm is a real thing for women, the psychology and neuroscience behind this phenomenon. The idea that a woman can reach orgasm solely through nipple stimulation may sound surprising to many, but science confirms that a nipplegasm is a real neurological and psychological phenomenon. While not all women experience it, research in neuroscience and sexual psychology shows that for some, the brain is wired in a way that allows intense pleasure, sometimes even orgasm, without any direct genital contact. The explanation begins in the brain. The nipples contain thousands of sensory nerve endings that send signals to the somatosensory cortex, the same area that processes sensations from the genitals. In a well-known brain imaging study, researchers found that when a woman's nipples were stimulated, the exact same brain regions lit up as when her clitoris or vagina were stimulated. This overlap in neural pathways explains how nipple stimulation alone can sometimes trigger orgasmic responses. Hormones also play a powerful role. Nipple stimulation leads to the release of oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone. Oxytocin is heavily involved in sexual arousal, emotional connection, uterine contractions, and orgasm. As oxytocin levels rise, the body becomes more sensitive to pleasure, emotional closeness increases, and the threshold for orgasm can drop. This hormonal surge helps explain why nipple stimulation can feel intensely pleasurable for some women. Psychology adds another important layer. A nipplegasm is not only a physical reaction but also a mind-body experience. When the brain learns to associate nipple touch with pleasure, comfort, or arousal, it strengthens those neural connections over time. This is known as neuroplastic conditioning. Through repeated positive experiences, the body may begin responding more intensely to nipple stimulation, even to the point of orgasm. Emotional safety and relaxation are also critical factors. Orgasms of any type are strongly influenced by mental state. When a woman feels safe, emotionally connected, and free of performance pressure, the brain becomes more receptive to pleasure. Anxiety, stress, or emotional discomfort, on the other hand, can block these responses entirely, even if the physical stimulation is the same. It is equally important to note that not all women experience nipplegasms, and this is completely normal. Sensitivity varies due to genetics, hormone levels, past experiences, cultural beliefs, and individual nerve responsiveness. Some women feel intense pleasure from nipple stimulation, others feel mild sensitivity, and some feel almost